Hi, welcome back to the Hydroponics Daily. Today's topic is a general overview of what is a biostimulant and some examples of some biostimulants. So biostimulants are a additive to a crop that stimulates growth or improves yield that's not down to nutritional effect. So they are not pesticides, they don't kill any pest diseases, weeds, they're not synthetic growth regulators. They all come under pesticide regulations, and they're not fertilizers because their primary aim is not to add a specific nutrient, essential nutrients. So they are basically like a vitamin or things like this that stimulate the growth of the plant in a non-nutritional way. So examples conclude seaweed extracts, amino acids, beneficial microbes, so a living organism or so a fungus or a bacteria, humic acids, which are extracted from a certain type of brown coal or humic material, phosphites, which are a type of phosphorus chemical that doesn't actually work it's not a nutritional form of phosphorus, but stimulates root growth. Triacontanol, that's a fatty alcohol extracted from beeswax or the leaf surface of certain plants. Chitosan, that's a solubilized form of what is the chemical that's in all insect pests or fungal cell walls. So a solubilized version of chitin is chitosan, and yucca extract, that's a very popular biostimulant. So these all have actions that are non-nutritional in their main aim. So like something like an amino acid like glycine will stimulate root growth, and tryptophan will stimulate auxin production. A microbe might stimulate or eat ethylene, the ACC, the precursor to ethylene. Yucca extract might open up the growing media. Chitosan might stimulate defense responses. Humic acids might help with the absorption of nutrients, things like that. So there's loads of different modes of actions for biostimulants. There's not just one. We're going to do a different, each one of these biostimulants will be a topic for Hydroponics Daily in and of itself. So don't worry, I've glazed over. I've just given you a fly past for all of these types. But the main point to say is they're not pesticides, they're not fertilizers. They're not in feeds like gold leaf per se. These, if they did, they'd be a mucky mess, but you can add them to your feed. So all of these additives work really well with gold leaf, or if you're in the UK, liquid gold. And they can improve your yield beyond what's achieved with nutrients alone. So definitely recommend you looking into them. There are some good ones, there are some bad ones, and for every single one that's on here, there are good versions and bad versions. And I will go into great detail about which ones are the good ones, which ones are the bad ones, and what to look for and what to avoid. So things like seaweed extract, I've produced millions of litres of seaweed extract over the years as a manufacturer of biostimulants, so I know my onions when it comes to biostimulants. If you research biostimulants and what to look for in a biostimulant, you might find one of my articles on this subject. So check out biostimulants. Thank you very much.